Hi everyone. So welcome back to our math drills. So for now, let's continue our rational expression. So this time we have the similar rational expression or the similar fractions, and we also have multiplication and division in this part. Okay, so I have here 2x squared over x to the fourth minus 1 over x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x squared plus 1. So since this is quite long, okay, so what you can do for this one is again to set a value for your x. Okay, so evaluate our expression using any value for x and then use that also for the choices and the expression that will give you the same answer or the same evaluation for it, that will be your answer for the simplified form of the rational expression. Okay, so for example, the first one, we have 2x squared, x to the fourth minus 1. So let's set x is equal to positive 2. Okay? So let's set x is equal to 2. Okay? So we'll have here 2 times 2 squared over 2 to the fourth minus 1 over 2 squared minus 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1. Okay, so we'll have here 4 times 2, that is 8, and 2 to the fourth power, that is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15, minus 1 over 2 squared is 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1, that is equal to 5. Okay, so let's combine. We'll have here 15. We get 8 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, so 8 minus 5, that is 3, plus 3, that is 6 over 15, or that is equal to 2/5. Okay, so again, when you evaluate, your answer will be 2/5. Okay, now I didn't use 1 because when we use 1 here, it will be 0 po on your denominator. Okay, so which is undefined. So let's use wherein your denominator will not be equal to 0. Okay, next. Let's try to evaluate each choices, and then we should get 2/5 po on the answer. Okay, so we'll have here negative 2. So we get here 2 squared, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5. Okay, so the answer here is negative 2/5, but the evaluation on the given that we have is 2/5. So that will not be the answer for this one. For letter B, it's the same po, but it doesn't have a negative. So it means this is 2/5. Okay, so it means this will be the answer for number 76. 2 over x squared plus 1. Okay, so if you will be trying itong ating 2 over x minus 1 and x plus 1, that is not equal to um 2/5. Okay, so we'll have here negative 2. Okay, so at 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Then x plus 1, this will be 3. So 2/3. Okay, so that is not letter C. For letter D, that will be the same. So this one will be, oh, it's just the same. So this is not also letter D. Ayan. So the answer for number 76, it will be letter D. Okay, next. 77. Compute and simplify x minus 1 over x minus 2 minus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 2x. Okay, so just the same what we did kanina, we'll be setting a value for our x. So let's say that our x is equal to 1. Okay, so we can use 1 since it will not be 0 when we substitute po dito sa ating given. So 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Okay, so 1 minus 1, that will be 0. And dividing 0 by any number, that is 0 po. So this one will be 0 na. So 0 minus 3 times 1 minus 4 over 1 squared minus 2 times 1. Okay, so we'll have here 3 minus 4, that is negative 1 over 1 minus 2, that is negative 1 also. But since this is minus, it means our answer will be negative 1. Okay. Yeah, so let's find the answer here on our choices. Again, dapat po pareho po siyang negative 1 on the answer. So we'll have negative 1 minus 2 over 1. So we'll have here negative 1 over 1. So this is negative times negative. It will be positive 1. So it's not letter A. For for letter B, we'll have 1 plus 2 over 1. So this is equal to 3 over 1. That is equal to 3. So it's not letter B also. Let's try letter C. So we have here 1 minus 2 over 1. So 1 minus 2, that is negative 1 over 1, which is equal to negative 1. So answer for number 77, it's letter C, x minus 2 over x. Okay, next, 78. We have here multiplication. 8a to the fourth over 9 minus a squared. 5a squared plus 13a minus 6 over 24a minus 60a squared. Okay, so this time, let's do the same. So let's have a is equal to 1. So 8 times a to the fourth, that is 8 over 9 minus 1, that will be 8 times 5 plus 13 minus 6 over 24 minus 60. Ayan, so again, I just copied the coefficients since I set a that is equal to 1. So 8 over 8, that is 1. Okay, so let's simplify. 5 plus 13 is 18. 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12. Okay, go with your denominator. 24 minus 60, that is equal to negative 36. Okay, simplify. 12 divided by 36 is 3. So this one is equal to negative 1/3. Okay, so let's look for the answer on our choices by evaluating. Again, A is equal to 1. So this will be 1. This will be 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2. We got 3 times 3 minus 1, that is 3 times 2. So this will be 2/6. So 2/6 in simplified form, that is 1/3. But we're looking for a negative answer. So hindi pa din po yung letter A. Let's go with B. So this will be 1. This will be 1. So 2 over 3 plus 1 is 4. So we'll have 3 times 4, that is 12. So 2/12. When you simplify, that will be 1/6. So it's not letter B also. Let's go with C. This will be 1. This will be 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2. Negative 3 times 4, that is negative 12. So this is negative 1/6. This is not the answer. Okay. And for letter D, again, this will be 1. Negative 3, this will be 1. So negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. So we have negative 2 over 6, that is equal to negative 1/3. Okay, so answer for number 78, it's letter D, 2a cubed